Hey guys, Don here from RPM Steering and Suspension. Today we're going to do a product feature on our 2007 to 2018 JK and JKU front long arm 3-link upgrade kit. This kit is designed to work with both the 2-door and the 4-door. Let's start with our cross member here. So we start with a bolt-in cross member. It's a heavy-duty cross member made in-house. We're using 2 slot patterns here so that you can use the same cross member from 2007 to 11 with the 3.8 motor, or you can use the same cross member for the 12 to 18 with the 3.6 motor, utilizing the different bolt patterns here. On each side of the cross member, we get really strong with our 3-link setup. So our 3rd-link upper bracket is not just a weld onto the frame bracket. The reason we do this is we're supporting this underneath the frame, bolting it to the frame, and then bolting it through the cross member, creating strength for the factory mounts that are there. We backplate that as well on this side. So we have a triangular gusset here that goes in front, wraps the frame again, and then backplates. This is going to make the factory brackets much stronger than they already are and give you strength in the cross member. Then we move on to our links here. Obviously, we are an aluminum steering company. It's kind of what we do. Every link is 7075 T6 aluminum with a cold finish. This is all USA milled product. We don't buy any overseas product with our aluminum. Our ends are the quality joints from Jock. We're using the narrow joints on every link end that have a 20-degree rotation both directions. This way we get maximum rotation out of your link for more stretch, more droop, etc. with your rig. We have 2 options for your axle side. You're going to have, if you have a truss, we have a bracket that mounts to the truss for the 3rd link, and we have a bracket that mounts to the axle tube in various sizes, so that if you have an aftermarket axle, we've got you covered with this bracket as well. All 1/4-inch steel laser cut. The entire kit's on the website under our suspension bracket for JK. You can find us at www.rpmsteering.com.